flickering candlelight reveals ancient words of God's love and hope. Romans, the essence of the gospel, in Paul's letter to the church. Paul reflects, crafting his message of salvation to the Romans. The letter journeys through valleys, spreading the hope of the gospel. Believers gather, reading Paul's letter to seek God's will. Rome's chaos reflects sin's disorder. The gospel is the light. Paul sees humanity's fall and the hope of justification by faith. The cross in the wilderness is the heart and cost of salvation. Water symbolizes cleansing as believers prepare their faith declaration. Immersion and rising signify death of the old and birth of the new. Unified worship rises as believers praise God's grace. Dawn's light symbolizes new life and direction in God's salvation. Paul calls for renewed minds to embrace God's mission. In God's kingdom, life overflows with hope and fulfillment. Paul reminds us to fulfill God's law through love. Believers show God's kingdom through acts of love. A renewed life centers on Christ's love. Under the sunset, believers embody gospel unity and hope. Romans reveals God's love and salvation, calling us to renewal again.